Hi everyone, I'm Avdesh God. In this video, we learn about how to develop bump charts in Tableau. Bump charts are quite effective to show up the comparative analysis generally utilized to see the change in rank over a period of time. Well, let's get started on how to build the same in Tableau. This is what a bump chart looks like. Herein, we are having a look at the change in rankings of various categories, that is, furniture, office supplies, and technology, by the sum of sales over different years, starting from 2017 till 2020. Over here, the furniture is represented by the blue shade, whereas the office supplies by a shade of peach, and technology has been represented by a shade of gray. Let us have a quick look on how to read this bump chart. If we have a look at the year, in 2017, we can clearly see that technology is having the highest sales, that is being represented by the gray color, and rank 1. It is then followed by furnitures at number 2 in a shade of blue, and finally we have office supplies at rank 3, and this ranking is based on the total sales of that category in the year 2017. Whereas in 2018, the furniture category went up to rank 1, contributing to the highest sales. It is then followed by technology, which went down by 1 rank and came at rank 2. And finally, we have the office supplies that has continued to hold rank 3. And again, the rank is driven by the total sales of 2018. In the similar fashion, the bump chart is utilized to have a comparative analysis by the change in rank over time. Let us now move to the next sheet and build the same right from scratch. Let us drag the order date field from dimensions to columns. Let us also set this visual to occupy the entire view. As we want to showcase the categories by different colors, so let's drop the category field present under the product hierarchy to the color shelf in the marks card. This has created a placeholder for each category, that is furniture, office supplies, and technology. Let us now create a calculation to derive the rankings of these categories over time by the sum of sales. To do so, we will utilize the rank function over the sum of sales. Let us name this field as rank and save this for the time being. Let's drag this rank field onto the row shelf. Let us calculate it using the concerned dimension, that is category. We have created a baseline for the bump chart and the rank has started to come up. And if you notice, the ranks available in the X's is in descending order right now. That is, rank 3 at top and rank 1 at the bottom. In order to reverse this, right-click on the X's and select Edit X's. Tableau will open up a dialog box wherein we have an option to reverse the scale. Let's check this and close the dialog box. If you notice, the rank in the X's has been reversed. If we compare it with the bump chart in the first worksheet, we are almost there. We just need to add the circles with labels on top of the line chart that we have developed. Let's go back to the worksheet. To do so, let's duplicate the rank field available on the row shelf. To do so, let's duplicate the rank field available on the row shelf and change the mark type to circles. As of now, the axis of this new particular chart is again in the descending order. Let's convert it back to the ascending order. We'll follow the same steps and the axis will be reversed. Let us increase the size a little bit for rank to marks card and also turn on the labels. In order to have the labels in the center of the circle, let us set the alignment to center center. Now, in order to have these circles on top of the lines, all we need to do is merge these two charts. To do so, let's make it a dual axis and then synchronize axis as well. Well, this is what we were looking for. Let us hide these axes and format this chart a little bit so that it looks like the very first one that we saw earlier. Right-click on the axis and uncheck Show Header. Do the same for the other axis as well. In order to hide this label, right-click on it and check Hide Field Labels for columns. Now to remove the boundaries, we'll right-click on it and select Format. We'll go to the fourth option, that is for borders, and set all the borders to none out here. We'll follow the same process for lines as well. Well, this looks good. This is what we were looking forward to. In the next video, we'll learn about how to build the barbell or dumbbell charts.